In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft Classic on Google. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you remember back in the day, there used to be a web browser version of Minecraft called Minecraft Classic. Seemingly, it went away for a couple of years, but it's back. So as you can see, published in 2019 on the official Minecraft website, they have released Minecraft Classic, and you can play right away on a web browser. So look for Classic Minecraft on Google and you will access this first website. Make sure that you don't click any of the other links. They are unofficial and they might give you trouble, especially if you download any files, so keep that in mind. You can either go to the website directly at classic.minecraft.net or choose this first version here. And as you can see, we are now playing Minecraft inside of our web browsers. So, in here you will be able to place blocks, break blocks, and do very basic stuff. If you right click, you will notice that this line of the block that you want to place will appear. So it is a little bit different. You right click to toggle block placement on and off, and after it has been toggled, you press the left click to place them down. So right now I'm pressing left click and I'm placing these leaves down. But if I right click again, I'll be able to break them by pressing the left mouse button. As you can see, we are not able to fly, but also we don't have a health bar, so we are not essentially in creative mode. In here, you will be able to do these very basic functions and enjoy the nostalgia of Minecraft Classic, especially if you remember back in the day how you were able to play in the official Minecraft.net website. So just go to classic.minecraft.net and you will be able to enjoy Minecraft right on your web browser. It is very fun to spend a lot of time just running around, creating basic structures, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft Classic on Google. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.